Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. This week I'm doing a minimal style wallet. I wanted to do something that had a few pockets but also wasn't too difficult in the design because I was trying to challenge myself to complete this within roughly an hour and a half. So let's get to it. Okay, first off, pull out your template. I'm using one from a previous design. Today I'm going to be using some Wickett and Craig medium brown harness leather. Just trace out your template and start cutting it out. Here I'm just marking the size of the pockets I want to use. And it's a matter of rounding the corners. Here I'm just burnishing with some toconol and also polishing with a little bit of canvas. Here I'm just roughing out the leather so that I can get some glue to adhere to it. Today I'm using some Eco-Weld glue. Apply that to both layers of leather, let that sit for a moment, and then you can put it together. Then I'm just gluing both pieces together. Once that's dry, I'm going to trim the edges using a Japanese knife. It's important to use a sharp knife. You can see how clean of a cut you can get with a sharp knife. Here I'm just rounding out the rest of the corners of the wallet. Then it's a matter of beveling the edges before I start to burnish, both top and bottom. Doing something a little different this week. I'm going to burnish first before I start stitching this project. Just a matter of doing 2 layers of toconol and burnishing with a piece of canvas. I decided to skip the usual tactic that I use with a Cocobolo wood burnisher. Honestly, got a cleaner looking edge with just using canvas. Then I'm marking where I'm going to put the stitching with a wing divider, and it's a matter of putting in the stitching holes from there. I decided to go with a Royal Blue thread this week for a nice pop of color. This is a Maine Thread Company lightweight .020 waxed polycord. This is one of my favorite parts of the entire process, is just using a bone folder to get into those nooks and crannies of a wallet to kind of bring it all together. Here's the finished wallet. I kind of wish I did a couple things differently, but I'm really pleased with trying something different by using the tokenol and just doing a tokenol and then canvas and then another layer of tokenol and then canvas. I feel like the edges got into a nice glassy sort of look to it. Initially, I put 3 cards in each pocket. The center held some cards, but I couldn't actually put some folded cash in there, so that's one thing I would change about this wallet in the future, so that you could hold a couple bills folded. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really pleased with how that burnishing turned out. It's a little different of a process than I'm used to, but it looks great. I am on Instagram at LegacyBrownLeather. If you like this video, hit that like button and please consider subscribing. That shows me that you want to see more content, more videos like this. Other than that, I'll see you next week with a new video.